Let me tell you a fact that Microsoft Excel format is XML. I don't know how many of you know this fact. Just to prove this concept is correct, what I'll do, let me go back to my uh, folder of this session I'm doing. Let me open one Excel file here. Let me open an Excel file. Let me keep a name as Excel as XML. Okay. Now, if you find at the end of this file name, you can find .xlsx. That is the file type. Sharon sir, I am not finding from my end .xlsx. That means file extensions you might have not disabled. I request you to enable that. You might, so you go to View tab. Are you finding your file name extensions? You just click it. Once I uncheck, so even I am not getting that. Once you click it, you can get the file name extensions. I'm sure in the MCA, when you pay any fees, the PDF document will automatically get saved into .do format, DO format. So this is the only technique we follow. We just put F2 and we'll change the file name extension. Now what I'll be doing, I will now put F2. F2 is the shortcut to rename. This XLSX, I'm going to change it as a GIF. Let me enter. What will happen if I change the extension as a GIF? This will no more be a XLSX file. This will be a GIF file. It's asking me a question. Mr. Sharon, if you change the file name extension, the file might become unstable. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. Wow. Now let me Let me open this. So let me show you the GIF file again. Now, are you finding here XML? The entire contents you can find here. Now let me go here again. Yeah, in the same place. Now this is also having the styles. XML file, this is also XML file, go inside, this is also XML file, go back. Every folder you can find XML. There is no Excel at all. That means whatever you do at the back end, that is connected to the XML format. Okay. So to ease of sharing the information, XML is one of the very standard languages. Extensible markup language is the meaning of XML.